Have you ever heard of animals that eat themselves? There are some animals that exhibit self-cannibalism, which is the act of consuming parts of their own bodies. Well, to know about more of this, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to be notified of such videos like this. This rare and amazing phenomenon, this behavior, usually occurs under extreme stress, captivity, or environmental conditions that limit food availability. Some examples include certain species of spiders, scorpions, and occasionally fish. In most cases, self-cannibalism is a last resort survival mechanism and not a normal behavior for these animals. Self-cannibalism or autophagy is a behavior observed in various animal species. So we're going to see these few examples. The first one is the spiders. Some of the species of spiders, such as tropical tent web spider, or also known as the Ceratophora psittacorola, may engage in self-cannibalism when resources are scarce. This behavior typically occurs in females after they have laid eggs. What they do is they consume their own silk and web. They can recover some nutrients to support themselves and their developing eggs. Then we have scorpions. Certain species of scorpions have been observed engaging in self-cannibalism in captivity, particularly when deprived of food. This behavior is believed to be a survival mechanism to sustain themselves when other food sources are not available to them. In the next, we have the fish. There have been rare instances of fish, such as the sand perch, exhibit self-cannibalism. For fish, this behavior is usually associated with stress or even overcrowding in captivity. Now, what is cannibalism and what is self-cannibalism? It is important that you are able to distinguish between the two words. Cannibalism, which means when an animal consumes members of its own species, and number two, the self-cannibalism, where an animal consumes parts of its own body. It's like eating itself. While cannibalism can be natural behavior in some species, self-cannibalism is typically a response to extreme circumstances, as I've said before. So I can say that self-cannibalism is generally considered a maladaptive behavior, and it's not common in most animal species. It usually occurs as I've said, last resort when other food sources are unavailable and the animal is facing starvation or even extreme stress. I hope this video about self-cannibalism and a part of cannibalism was very informative and you gained knowledge from it. If you want videos such as this in the future, hey, do subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon so you get the notification of our future videos as well. And of course, give me a comment if you have something to say about this. Animals that eat themselves. And lastly, do give me a thumbs up on the video. For now, I'm going to say goodbye.